The first reason why is pretty obvious. Most fatal car accidents occur on the highway where cars are driving around 70 miles an hour, usually even faster. And buses are confined to the city limits, where the average speed limit is around 30 to 45 miles an hour. And the second reason is because of physics. Buses are really heavy, and as such, they're not really impacted that much from a collision. Newton's third law states that for every action, there's an opposite and equal reaction. So f of 1 is equal to negative f of 2. And remember that according to Newton's second law, F is equal to the mass times acceleration, which means that mass and acceleration are inversely proportional, meaning a higher mass will have a smaller amount of acceleration from the same amount of force. So for example, if you throw a 15-pound bowling ball at a 3-pound bowling pin, the 3-pound bowling pin will go flying. But if you throw a 3-pound bowling pin at a 15-pound bowling ball, the bowling ball will hardly be nudged. And remember that weight is simply mass times the force of gravity, which in most places on Earth is 9.8 meters per second. The average bus weighs around 24,000 pounds compared to the average Volkswagen Passat, for example, which is around 3,500 pounds. It's why small bugs will splat against the windshield while you're driving, but your windshield will hardly be damaged at all.